You know how important it is to manufacture your margins when it comes to making profit on Amazon. It will give you a competitive advantage. And today I'm going to share with you my favorite cashback extension. I'm going to tell you which one I use, which one I think are good, which one I think sucks, which one I think are really, really bad, and which one I heard, I never used, but I heard are good. Before I do, we have a Discord server. You guys know it. Link in the description. Best place to learn about selling on Amazon. Best place to ask questions. Best place to meet new sellers, meet new friends, all that stuff. Let's get into the video. So, my favorite cashback extension is Rakuten. Why? Because Rakuten, not only if you use top cashback, you know it takes forever to track, right? Sometimes you wait up to 7 days until you see your cashback, until you see your transaction into their system. And it really sucks for someone like me because I try to count my cashback into my profit calculation, and I'm starting to do it less and less because it's a lot of work. But if you are a new seller, it's really important to really track everything and really understand your numbers, right? I think I'm going to transition into seeing it more as a bonus, something extra that I'm just going to pay myself with, because pretty soon my cashback is going to be able to pay for all my personal expenses. So it's going to be way easier for me to see it as a bonus and just calculate my profit without it. But Rakuten is great because whenever something does not track, whenever you have an issue, you can just contact directly the support team and they will get you your cashback and stuff. It's super easy. The issue with top cashback is a solid number 2. The issue with them is that, it takes time, as I said, to track your transaction and to actually send you your cashback. So if you try to track everything, if you try to be on top of your numbers, it's not that easy, especially when you place a lot of orders. But top cashback is still a super great cashback extension. Now, I've heard some great things about Active Junkie, and I think it was from Chris Grant. I saw some tweets that he made that he talked to the team at Active Junkie, and they are pretty reseller friendly. So this may be an option that you could look into and that I am going to look into in the future. But to be honest, a lot of websites where I source, they are usually not the greatest cashback. They do not offer the greatest cashback, but apparently they are reseller friendly. So this is a great option that you should look into and that I'm going to personally look into. Now, when it comes to the extension that really sucks and that you should try not using, the first one is Retail Me Not. The reason why it sucks is because there's a limit to the cashback you can redeem. There's a maximum every month and there's a maximum by retailer. So you're gonna reach that maximum pretty fast, and like if you do not track it, like you're gonna miss on a lot of cashback. The second one that is really suck is Capital One Shopping. I think this is how it's called. Yeah, Capital One Shopping. Capital One Shopping is great when it comes to finding coupons and stuff, but like for the cashback, it sucks. Sometimes you may see that they have great percentage, like the cashback that they give is pretty good, but the only thing is that you cannot redeem it as cash, right? So if you do your grocery shopping at Walmart or stuff like that, it's okay because you can redeem it as how is it called? As gift card. Here you go. You can redeem it as gift card, and there's not a lot of options, but like I'd rather just have it in cash so I know I can spend it on whatever I want. The thing is that when you redeem it as gift card, you can redeem it as eBay gift cards, Walmart gift card. There's not a lot of options, and for that reason, I'm not a fan of Capital One Shopping. But if you do as I said, if you do your grocery shopping at Walmart and stuff, I do not. I find Walmart is for weirdos. I do not like Walmart, but like if you do your grocery shopping over there, you can just use it and like use that cashback to do your grocery shopping. It's still best for you to actually buy discounted gift card, because you can get easily 3% at Walmart. But yeah, you could do that, but it's not what I like the best. So here's my top cashback extension. Start looking into Active Junkie. I will look more into it personally, and I try not to have too many extensions. I have BeFrugal as well. I think it's okay. I haven't tried to redeem my cashback with BeFrugal yet, but I'll look into that. These are my favorite cashback extension. I hope this video was helpful. I release a new video every single day on selling on Amazon, all that stuff. Follow me on TikTok. I have a TikTok now. It's @GunzaJMG, just like this. channel. I'll see you tomorrow.